Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Heights at 1520. The Heights at 1520. These are some very recently built apartments, and they're in the lower Heights area of Houston, Texas. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the best tour ever of the Heights at 1520. We're going to go inside, we're going to take a look at it, we're going to see the amenities, we're going to see one or two apartments, so you can get a feel of the apartments, and we're going to give you a taste of what it's like here. It'll be the best tour you ever had, but it's all going to be here in short little video segments. It's all going to be on this playlist, so just let the playlist roll. They're going to be about 10 to 12 very, very super short segments, and this will give you a taste of what it's like to be here at the Heights. You can skip around, of course, to any of the videos or just watch them all. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a tour anytime, also request that and just send a text to me and say, hey, I'd like to do a virtual or live tour. Okay, we're going to go to the next video, and we're going to talk about the area a bit of the Heights and where this is at. So stick around for the next video. We're going to do that right now.